Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution Code. Today I am discuss part 1. Let's create a multi-purpose Laravel 10 and Vue.js 3 application. First, install Vue.js 3 on Laravel 10 project. This my official website is at www.errorsolutioncode.com. This my gem folder. Inside this available htdoc folder. This open this htdoc folder. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL. Let's open this cmd open successfully. Cmd open. This dive inside this gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, this my available gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, let's check this PHP version. PHP version check successfully 8.1.2. this PHP version available. This my PC install. Let's check localhost PHP my admin. This successfully working good. Localhost PHP my admin. This PHP version is available 8.1.2 in this. Great, this working fine. Let this installation, this gem folder, Google, open this XAMPP download. This enter this XAMPP download and this open this first link, download XAMPP. In this available this latest version. This my PC is installed. This version download and install already my PC. Your PC this version is a install XAMPP folder. Let's close this file, close this tab. Next is a check this composer. Composer successfully installation already my PC. In this available composer, this install check the XAMPP folder. Inside this htdoc composer version is at 2.6.6. this latest version. Let's Google composer. In this first this download link is available, and this download and install your XAMPP folder inside. This download this setup file is available. Click this download and install your PC in this XAMPP folder. Inside this download step by step all is available. Orderly step. Please check this documentation and close this tab. Let's check this node version. This node version is already 1.21.0.0. this node version. Let's download this node version. Node.js org, this official website, and this Node.js download. Otherwise this link open. Inside this available download link, this recommended this version, good work, and otherwise this latest version. Any download and your PC installation. This close this tab. Next is a check npm version. npm version successfully available. npm version good. 10.2.0 successfully set this Node.js and npm version. Let's new Laravel project installation command. Composer. First of all, this let's check this official website Laravel 10 and enter. Laravel 10 document open. This version is the latest version installation. This latest version is a installation Laravel. Inside this available installation command. Let's check this documentation. Release version all good. Let's check this installation. First this installation is available. Getting this link and copy this URL. This link is a copy and inside this paste, and this project name is a change Laravel 10 Vue.js 3. The same is a copy and inside this same is a paste composer. Create this htdoc folder inside this Laravel 10 Vue.js 3. This folder is not available. This Laravel, this folder is not available. Less new folder is create automatically and enter. Let's check this. Create this folder Laravel 10 successfully. This folder is create Laravel 10 Vue.js 3. This folder is successfully create. This date is a current date 8/2/24/510. This current date. In this folder is open inside this installation. This project is a installation. Please wait in this installation. And this my channel error solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This available, this official website link, Facebook link, Instagram link, GitHub link, all is available. This error solution code, all link follow in this all video is available. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Official website is available. Any doubt, so please my official website errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a Telegram link, and open this, click this Telegram account. Premium script this available, this available inside this available. Any project this buy this available. GitHub, Facebook, doubt this please contact this my account. Let's check this installation. Cannot installation Laravel 10. Please wait this installation step by step. Let's video stop, again start. Let's wait step by step installation. This 53 package suggestion we are added by new dependency use composer suggestion. This new project in this installation step by step. Please wait. This working successfully installation. This Laravel successfully 10 is a installation good. This 53 package is a installation all good. This command is a successfully installation. Next command is a implement. This 53 package is the installation your composer successfully set. Let's redrive inside this available this gem folder cd Laravel 10 Vue 3 and enter. Successfully import this htdoc folder inside this project is available. This name is a shared. This same name is a copy inside this paste here. Same. Let's check this Laravel version. Let's open this composer JSON file in my Sublime text editor. This all is required. This framework Laravel 10.10, this PHP version 8.1, this all is successfully set, and this close. Let's new command is implement this npm I Vue and enter. npm I Vue enter. Let's import Vue.js installation. Step by step Vue.js installation. This folder inside Laravel 10 Vue 3 inside. Please wait. Installation. This include this node module is include. This successfully working this node module is a successfully installation. Next is a check this PHP artisan server and enter. Let's run this, copy this URL 127, this copy this URL and check this. successfully Laravel and good installation working fine. Let's composer.json file open again. Inside this node.js installation successfully. This all good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And this node module is a successfully node.js Vue.js is a all implementation. This file is a include this Laravel latest version install, and this all successfully. Let's stop, successfully chat stop and refresh this page and successfully close. Working is not good. This problem enable connection. Again start PHP version and this start and refresh this page, successfully working. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.